This right here is wireless microphones made for your iPhone and Apple products. It's branded by Ulanzi. Let's test them out and see if it makes a difference when recording audio. What you get in the box is just your charging pack, your adapters, as well as 2 wireless microphones, and a charger as well. Right now what you're hearing is your standard microphone, and this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we'll be able to see if you can tell a difference in regards to your standard phone audio versus the wireless microphones I'm about to test next. Now this is the test with the Ulanzi wireless microphones. You guys let me know, does it make a difference or does it sound the same? Personally, I think this is a great product. I can't wait to test it out for more future videos. I will be uploading a more detailed video as well as doing an outdoor test to see how it does with wind noise. Thank you guys and catch you for the next video.